Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, two dice are rolled. What is the probability that the two numbers add up to a prime number? Now, as two dice are thrown, so total number of sample space is 36. Okay. Now, favorable outcomes are as the two numbers add up to a prime number. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 4, 1 6, 2 3, 2 1, 2 5, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1, then 4 3, 5 2, 5 6, 6 1, 6 5. Okay. So the total number of favorable outcomes are 15. Hence, the probability of getting a sum of prime number is 15 by 36. So our correct option is option D.